everyone, I welcome you all to my channel Sabiha's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be preparing the very delicious Gajar ka halwa. It is made with simple ingredients and typically enjoyed during winters. So here I have taken 2 kgs carrots, wash it and pat dry it. Half liter milk, approximately 400 grams sugar, 5 to 6 green cardamoms powdered, half cup ghee, 400 grams mawa or khoya. Among dry fruits, I have taken pistachios, cashew nuts and almonds. You may add other dry fruits as well. Firstly, I'm gonna peel the carrots. Now let's grate them one by one. Food processor quickens the process of grating, so if you have one, you may use it. Now discard this portion which has a more of a yellow content. In the same way, grate the rest of the carrots. The grating part is done. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Now let's quickly peel the skin of the almonds. Add some water in it and microwave it for 2 minutes. Let it cool down and then we'll peel it. Give it a little squeeze so that it gets peeled easily. Now take a large pan and heat half cup ghee in it. Let it melt and then add grated carrots in it. Now stir it for few minutes until the carrots become lightly soft. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. After frying it for 2 to 3 minutes, add milk. Here I have taken full cream milk. Now turn the heat to medium flame. Now allow the milk and carrots to come to a boil and cook the halwa until entire milk is evaporated. This process is going to take 20 to 25 minutes. Keep stirring the halwa and make sure that it doesn't get stick to the bottom. When the milk is about to solidify, you may increase the flame. Now see, the entire milk is evaporated. Guys, now this is the time to add sugar. Timing to add sugar is very important. You don't have to add sugar and milk all that together. After adding sugar, it will again become liquidy, but don't worry. Keep stirring and frying. Keep frying until it absorbs all the sugar. Once it absorbs all the sugar, then add mawa or khoya. I'm going to be adding half of the mawa now and we'll save some for garnishing. Now stir it well. Now add powdered cardamoms and dry fruits. Before adding dry fruits, I'm going to fry them in ghee. Heat 1 tablespoon ghee in a pan and fry the dry fruits for a minute on low flame. I have chopped the dry fruits like this. You may cut it into your desired shape. Once the ghee melts, add nuts in it. If you want, you may chop the dry fruits after frying it in ghee. Keep stirring so that it doesn't get burnt. Fry nuts until it changes its color slightly. Now remove from fire and pour it in the halwa. And mix it well. I'm going to be adding 1 more tablespoon ghee, but it's completely optional. Keep frying and stirring the halwa so that it gets thickened little more. Once you notice that halwa has got thickened to a perfect consistency, turn off the heat. And our delicious gajar ka halwa is ready to serve. Now I'm gonna garnish it with leftover mawa. And some nuts. And it's ready. This is just perfect for the winter nights. Just a gentle reminder, if you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. Thank you for watching my video.